Hi there. I can guarantee that you've been to a presentation about digital disruption, and case studies like Uber, Lyft, Airbnb have all come up. And the question has always been, that's really cool, but how do you actually do that digital disruption? What is the underlying force that drives the disruption within these organizations that are able to disrupt the industries that they've moved into? And certainly the underlying framework is the speed of change. Change has come in a very dramatic, fast paced kind of way that has changed how that industry is operated. And it's made it very, very difficult for the incumbents to actually catch up with what's happening in the market. But what is actually driving that speed? And it's the AI, it's algorithms, the artificial intelligence that is really driving the capacity of these organizations to disrupt. Let me take Uber, just to give you a bit more of a context here. Uber matches supply and demand. How do they do this without big data and using algorithms to really understand that? It's the algorithms and the AI that matches supply with demand. So every time you call your driver, he's there within 3 to 5 minutes. And this is a metric that they've set for themselves. If we look at the natural language processing that allows you to understand the conversations that are happening, this is the world of chatbots, very disruptive when it comes to the customer experience framework. If we look at the verification of images and documents using the OCR and the capacity to read what's in those documents, it's understanding the driver's license, the restaurant menus, and it's this capacity that allows Uber to really scale and really, really ramp up the capacity and capability of their organization to disrupt. And then really we look at sensors, processing what's happening in the environment, looking at the density of the traffic, and giving real-time feedback so that the drivers can start looking at other ways of actually doing things. So what's driving all of this capacity is the AI. And when you're looking at innovation and digital disruption, you've got to understand how to make AI work for you. And this is the conversations that we have at TerraFlow. So come join us on our YouTube channel here and start to understand how you can make AI work.